Hi, this is James Quintero, hashtag sold by JQ. And the way that our real estate market is set up is that homes are not based on a set price, but are actually determined by supply as well as the market's demand. The National Association of Realtors surveyed over 50,000 real estate agents about their expectations for home sales, prices, and market conditions, or their monthly Realtor Confidence Index. Their latest edition compares the relationship between seller traffic, supply, and buyer traffic, demand. This map shows how these agents rate buyer demand in their areas. The darker the blue, the stronger the demand for homes. The survey shows that in 3 of 50 states, buyer demand is now very strong. Only 2 of the 50 states have a weak demand. Overall, buyer demand is slightly lower than this time last year, but still remains strong. This next map shows how these agents rate seller traffic in their areas. As the map shows, 18 states reported weak supply. 29 states and Washington, D.C. reported stable supply, while 3 states reported strong supply. This means there are far fewer homes on the market than there are buyers looking. Bottom line is, when you're looking at these maps, it's not hard to see why homes have been appreciating in multiple areas of the country. Until the supply of homes for sale meets buyer demand, homes will continue to increase. So if you've been debating on listing your home for sale, reach out and let's help you capitalize on the demand in the market right now. Thanks and have a great day.